In this week's video we look at the steps to get started making money on social media. Like all good things, you've got to put in a lot of effort to build up an audience from scratch, and it takes time. But if you're willing to put in a lot of effort and get those followers, then you'll be on your way to creating a steady flow of cash to your bank account. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe and like our page, as every week we bring you new ideas on how to make money. So let's get going. All you have to do is follow these steps to start to make money on social media. 1. Choose a platform. While you'll want multiple platforms to build off of, you'll need a main platform to start your success. This is where you'll spend most of your time and effort. For example, if your goal is to be a big-time YouTuber, then your platform is obviously going to be YouTube. It doesn't mean that you don't post on other platforms, but your main focus should be on your prime source. 2. Create a social media account. You need to complement your chosen platform with social media accounts. Social media have algorithms and metadata you can input, such as hashtags, which makes being found on them a bit easier if you know what you're doing. This is a great way to market your content and is one of the best ways to be found. 3. Build an audience. Now that you're all set up, it's time to build an audience. This means consistently posting quality content and then promoting it on your platform. Try to always respond to comments and messages and make real connections with the traffic on your platforms. 4. Boost audience engagement. The one thing you don't want is a stagnant audience. There are a variety of ways you can boost audience engagement, which can be as extravagant as giveaways and contests or as simple as prompting your followers to leave a comment. Don't be afraid to get creative here. Unique ideas are your key to separating your content from everyone else's and increasing overall engagement. 5. Join an influencer network. Joining a community of like-minded influencers can be mutually beneficial for all parties involved. Creating a network will allow you to build off of each other's followings and expand your reach. Additionally, this opens the gateway for collaborations and business partnerships. 6. Start monetizing using the methods above. Once you've developed an audience, it's time to start using the methods mentioned above to monetize your content. Remember to invest most of your earnings back into your craft and never get complacent. It would be best if you continued to promote your content at all stages of your social media journey and continue to post regularly. 7. Post high-quality content. Your content is only worth as much as its quality. Poor content won't get followers and certainly won't generate income. Spend extra time to deliver high-quality content to your audience consistently. 8. Use trending hashtags and topics. Trends drive followers and sales. Don't be afraid to jump on the bandwagon when it comes to hashtags and topics, because that's what will get you the most views on TikTok or the most followers on Instagram. Do your research and be on top of what's new and trending. It would help if you tried to be somewhat early to trends. That way, you can avoid the oversaturation of content at the trend's peak and the low viewership when the trend is dying out. When you do start to get money for what you are doing. 9. Charge what you're worth. Don't oversell or undersell yourself. This might seem like a simple notion, but you're going to have to experiment to get the pricing right. Avoid over-promoting paid content. Your audience will quickly become bored of you always trying to sell, and your audience and therefore your sales will plummet. 10. Disclose all brand relationships to build trust. If you're making money in the background of your content, make sure to disclose all brand relationships to your followers. Doing anything without telling your audience may seem shady, even if it isn't. This is the best way to develop trust and will avoid any unnecessary suspicions people might have. If you want to be a money-making influencer with tons of followers, you've got a lot of work to do. It won't be easy, but it isn't impossible either. You should carefully consider everything and use these insights to give you an advantage. That's it for today. We hope you got something out of this video. Don't forget to leave a comment below.